Good morning guys, today I would like to show you how to activate satellite map on your Apple Maps. So at first open Apple Maps, then select the area which you want to see this satellite map, then tap on the stop icon which is for maps, and here all you have to do is to select satellite. And that's it. As you can see now you've got the vision from satellite. You can zoom it in however you like. Obviously you can change also the place, so you can zoom it out, then go to a totally different place in the world and then zoom it in again. So that's it. This is how you can activate satellite and how you can use it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.